Hey, hey, hey! Hello everyone! Welcome to another English lesson. It is me, your teacher, McDonald. Let's get started!
McDonald TV! 1, 2, 3.
Today, we will be learning the letter R. The letter R. Here, we have the capital R or the big R. And over here, we have the lowercase r or the small r. Now, let's make the sound and the shape of the letter R. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. R. Again. 1, 2, 3. R. R sounds like r, 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 r. Again. 1, 2, 3. R sounds like r, 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 r. Now, let's stand up and make the sound and the shape of the letter R. Please stand up. Alright, now let's make the sound and the shape of our letter R. Stand up, follow along, and be careful. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. R. This is our letter R. Hold it. Whoops. Sorry. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. R. Hold it. It's pretty good. Sounds like r, 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 r. Again. 1, 2, 3. R. Hold it. Sounds like r, 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 r. Again. 1, 2, 3. R. Sounds like r, 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 r. R is for this. Can you tell me what animal is this? This is a rabbit. R, r, rabbit. R, r, rabbit. Again, what animal is this? This is a rabbit. R, r, rabbit. R, r, rabbit. Now, let's spell rabbit together. Ready? Here we go. Rabbit. R, A, B, B, I, T. Rabbit. One more time. Rabbit. R, A, B, B, I, T. Rabbit. Good. Okay, boys and girls, I want to ask you a few questions. What can a rabbit do? Can a rabbit ride a bicycle? Or can a rabbit prepare breakfast? Or can a rabbit jump over a bus? Let me ask you again. Can a rabbit ride a bicycle? A rabbit can't ride a bicycle. Okay, well, how about this? Can a rabbit prepare breakfast? A rabbit can't prepare breakfast. Alright, last thing. Can a rabbit jump over a bus? Yes, a rabbit can jump over a bus. Well, a toy bus. Now, we are going to sing a song about a rabbit. The song is called See the Little Rabbit. It goes like this. See the little rabbit sleeping on the bed. Shh, shh, don't make a sound. See the little rabbit sleeping on the bed. Buzz, buzz, ring, ring, it's too loud. Buzz, buzz, ring, ring, it's too loud. Now the rabbit wakes up and the rabbit is going to jump. Are you ready? Here we go. See the rabbit jump, jump, jump. See the rabbit jump, jump, jump. See the rabbit jump, 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 jump. See the rabbits jump, 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 jump. Woo! Doyoyoyoyoing. Alright everyone, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed singing See the Little Rabbit. The official See the Little Rabbit video will be coming up shortly, so please keep an eye out for that. But for now, let's sing our goodbye song. Ready? Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye. Boys and girls, bye-bye. See you next time. Keep an eye out for See the Little Rabbit video because it will be coming up shortly. But for now, let's sing our goodbye song. Are you ready?